got a chapel out here in the yard. Sometimes we let them out just because they get bored back there. So here's how you move 2 goats and a horse back into their area. You can use the whip, or oh man, look at all these weeds. I gotta chop these weeds down. Or you grab a thing of hay. Oh. Okay. Come on. Don't hit my car. They know what time it is. They love their alfalfa. Ugh. There you go. Close the gate. Oh yeah, since you guys haven't really been back here, I'll show you real quick. I built this kind of shelter thing out of pallets. It's a little rickety, but it's very well put together. It's pretty sturdy. It's been up for like 3 years. And then this is kind of their horse area. Over here, this is a house property that belongs to someone else. They just never finished it, so that's not ours. But yeah, basically this is where the horse and the goats chill out. And we put the poop over there. The compost dirt's really cool. I don't know why this is back here. We just kind of threw that back here. But anyway, you gonna eat too, huh? Willie Whalen Chapel. Back to work. Ooh, love this swing. Damn. I love this car. Love that car. I got the new side skirts in, so these will no longer be on. They're too thin. If you want to buy these, no, never mind. Forget I said that. Those are gonna go on the Spider because I don't really like just those flat ones. We got double bikes, Mike and Aaron chilling. They rode all the way here from Oakland, right? Yep. So this is why I don't wrap bikes. You guys keep asking me why. Bikes are really hard to wrap because look at that. So you have to run all kinds of little inlays and stuff like that. And there's a plastic trim right here that would just show through the wrap. You have to like really prep this. But we're gonna do this one today for Aaron. So you got it like this?
Yeah. With the tank like that. I got the tank. I got the whole bike like this. Tank just need to be done, man. But the rest of the bike look good. You know.
Is this painted or is it?
It's painted.
Just plastic.
Nah, it's painted. So when you order fairings, you can get them in whatever color. You can get them with decals and all that already on there. But these ones are all white. Like mine is all white. So for like his bike, for some reason, it doesn't come with the tank cover when, like, I guess it's maybe this design, but like my bike, even though remember it was gold,
yeah,
it has a full tank cover. So if you look right here, like right here, you can still see some of the gold.
Oh, okay.
Because this is the actual cover that goes over the whole piece.
Right.
So.
Oh, you put these on?
Yeah, there's for like grips and to keep you from scratching it up.
Cool.
See these on like a lot of track bikes.
Oh, okay.
Even though I'm a squid, still gotta look like I'm more.
Squid?
Super squid. Already hit a bush, all kind of shit.
Well, at least you fell into something soft.
I did. You see the bike? It ain't even scratched. Nothing scratched, nothing.
I like the gold accents. You should keep them.
Maybe. Kind of want to do silver.
Chrome.
It looks way better without the chrome film on the headlight now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, super
Looks
clean.
way better.
Super clean.
You can see.
You put the LED lights in there and stuff?
No, I still got them. I just ain't put them on yet.
Oh, okay.
I got to figure out how I want to wire them and where I want to put the switch at.
Sick.
But I got hell of them.
I would get one, but I'm too old and my reaction time's too slow. Man, I'll crash, bro.
How old are you? 30 what?
37.
37? Not that old.
Yeah.
It's about that, like that age for a midlife crisis.
Look at it. That is the midlife crisis.
Nah, you need a bike now though. That's a real or expensive supercar. You know, all the old people buy either bikes or expensive supercars. It's like the age where everybody gets a Harley. $30,000 bike.
We'll go with the NSX or Supra maybe. That's the expensive car. All right.
If you do get a Supra, you already know I'm gonna be over here like, hey, let me drive you a Supra, bro.
We about to run it? No, that thing would be hella slow compared to your. You would.
Anything you will ever get, I'm gonna get.
Heck no. Hey, Tesla, Roadster.
Get it. Let me get that shit from a roll.
We're gonna do the
from a roll.
the SpaceX version.
From the roll.
From the roll, I'll beat you. That thing is like 8 seconds.
That's from a dig, fool.
Oh, from a roll.
We're talking about from a roll. Standing, and that's
40
a
roll.
mile. If it's a half mile, I would gap that shit. I definitely got the top
Oh, of
end.
course. All right, I'm gonna sand this bitch, and then we'll hit it with the carbon fiber. Aaron's gonna do this carbon fiber, which is 3M. All right, let's see it. Okay, so here I sanded down the tank, and then I started wrapping it. I was trying to GoPro record this thing, but my chest mount was just aimed incorrectly, and the footage didn't really show you anything other than my feet. So you don't get to see me wrap this, but I just don't like to do bikes, so don't ask. Okay, so while he puts it back together, get some close-ups for you guys here. So this is a quick sanding. Of course, if you sand it better, it would be better. And then right down here, this pops up because I didn't get to the paint here, and then if the paint sticks to the wrap, not the bike, it's gonna pop up. But he has a piece that covers this, so it should be fine. Yo. That's looking good. All right, Aaron, what'd you think?
You did a good ass job.
Hey, thanks.
Hey, man, that's good though. I
Looks like a brand new bike.
Yeah, it looked better than what it was.
That shit was ugly as fuck.
Mike's over here like, I'm about to wrap the bike. All kinds of stuff. I think I'm trying to do a 3-point turn on that bike.
Right? Oh, I should have put the kickstand down and spent that shit.
Oh, there you go. All right, that's the money shot right there. Okay, hold on. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Mike and Aaron are gonna go back to their spot.
Long ass ride, yo.
An hour's ride. Woo! So it's fun. It's fun for only like 30 minutes, right?
Yeah, until your ass start getting hot. So this is what? It was like 100 miles? 101 miles to be exact. So it's a long ass trip. And then when you're on a bike, and also it's out what? Like 89 out here?
Yeah, it's like 89, 90
Yeah.
in Sac.
So coming from where we're from, hot to us is like, damn, it's 72. Today is a good day. We stay in the Bay Area, so you know we always got a lot of water, ocean around us. So ocean breeze makes our temperature a lot better. And then, bruh, as soon as we got to like Emeryville, like Oakland was like, all right, cool. Hit Emeryville by the water, it was like shit. It's like, woo. It's like, God,
Get that cold?
it got hella cold. But then as soon as we got past that and we got to like Pinot, or no, we crossed the bridge. As soon as we crossed the bridge and hit like Vallejo-ish, like Fairfield, it was just like, woo. It's like, woo. Even my bike, dude, my bike went from,
went up on my bike.
yeah, my bike went from 180 to like cruising was like 210. Like just the difference in,
You need like a cool pad, Walgreens.
so the 20-degree difference in like on the freeway and shit,
Okay.
like atmosphere or whatever,
Yeah.
changed 20 degrees on the bike.
Shit.
So yeah,
That's wild.
it was,
What's the max temperature it can run out for a blow up?
well, bikes get hella hot. A bike, this fan doesn't cut on to like 217.
Oh, okay.
So a bike will idle in traffic on like a regular day at like 222.
Cool.
So they'll get hot, but I'm getting ready to do a coolant flush and everything like tomorrow. I'm using this stuff called engine ice. So it's supposed to be keep it cooler. We're gonna see.
Sweet. Yeah, I like your gloves. You're sick.
I know these are the burners.
Damn, bro.
Put these on when
can
you
punch
get ready.
somebody.
Yeah. Right? Old school burners right here.
All right, guys, that's it. Let me know what you guys think about the wrap on Aaron's bike. Here's the final look. Look at him straddling like a new beast. Look at it. Look at that butt. Damn.
Carbon ass. That carbon ass.
All right, bro. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for doing the wrap.
No problem. All right, Aaron.
Thank you, man.
See you later. You guys be careful out there. Okay.
Hey. Hold on though.
What?
Feel me?
What?
You ain't just gonna be sponsoring everybody, yo.
What do you mean?
I'm the only black dude you're allowed to sponsor.
If they have a channel, 100,000 subscribers, we'll talk about it later.
I'm the only black dude. The only black dude.
We'll see. Is there another one? Fresh Kicks, right?
Well, he already got a rap sponsor.
Well, his rap sponsor doesn't have a channel. You know what I'm saying? So.
I think they might do. I don't know.
Not as cool as Paradox the Rapper.
Your favorite DUI?
DIY, FBI.
Whoa.
I'm just kidding. Later. I like the way that sounds. That sounds good.